lot to get to over here the next 24 to 36 hours as we're talking about colder weather moving back in and that chance for wintry weather later on tonight and through the day tomorrow. We're taking a live look outside at our Comfort Solutions River Spirit Cam. Mostly cloudy skies right now here in the Tulsa area. We're at 49 degrees and northeast winds at 7 miles per hour. So temperature-wise right now, not that bad. Most areas running in the mid to upper 40s, still running at 51 over in Rogers, Arkansas, 50 degrees in Grove. Now, we want to take a look at the winter weather advisory. It goes into effect tonight at 3 a.m., lasts until 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. It does include the Tulsa Metro and areas along I-44, all areas to the north and west. You notice as we move to the south and east, Muskogee, Tahlequah, you're officially not in this advisory, but it does include Grove, Pryor, back through the Metro, down into areas of Creek County. Now, the first thing we're looking at is precipitation up to the north of us, areas of Kansas, seeing some light to moderate rainfall at this time. As we move through the overnight, some of this activity is going to slowly work its way to the southeast, and it will develop southeast. So it looks like light rain will start to develop here in eastern Oklahoma later on tonight. And as we move through the overnight hours, we're going to see those temperatures continue to drop off. Also to the south, we have heavy rainfall in eastern Texas and northern Louisiana. This activity will slowly work its way to the north, and this will move into southeast Oklahoma later on tonight. So here's what we have on Future Track as we move through the rest of the evening hours. If you have any evening plans out, we don't expect any significant problems at all. We'll see mostly cloudy skies. As we move through the evening hours, I'll stop at right around midnight. You notice we're starting to see rain developing a little bit closer to north central Oklahoma, just to the north and west of that in the blue shading. That is some light snow as the colder air continues to slowly work in from the north. Through the overnight, you'll notice what happens. We'll start to see some light rain developing here in the Tulsa area later on tonight. And as temperatures continue to get colder and colder, we'll see it start to mix with maybe a couple of sleet pellets and then start mixing with a little bit of light snow as we move through the late night hours into early tomorrow morning. I've stopped it for you right around 6 a.m. So by 6 a.m. up in areas of Pawnee, Osage, Washington counties, southeast Kansas, you'll see that change over to some light snow by then, as we'll see those temperatures continue to slowly drop off. We'll see temperatures tomorrow morning starting off in the mid-30s. You notice just northwest of Tulsa already dropping to near freezing, 32 tomorrow morning around Ponca City, 33 in Bartlesville and Stillwater. Temperatures upper 30s tomorrow morning down in southeast Oklahoma. As we move through the morning hours, that looks to be the time period where we'll see some light to moderate snow. Moving on into the Tulsa area, you notice I've stopped it right around 9 o'clock, some of the heaviest snow right around the metro at this point. And as we move through the rest of the morning hours, the heaviest of the snow will shift off into areas in northwest Arkansas by late morning into the early afternoon hours. Still some lingering light snow here in northeastern Oklahoma, and we'll still see a mix of some cold rain, maybe some sleet pellets, and a little bit of snow flurry activity down in southeast Oklahoma during the midday. As we move into the afternoon, most of the snow will start to push off into Arkansas. Still some light snow and flurries possible in far southeast Oklahoma. We could even see a few flurries lingering here in Tulsa tomorrow afternoon, but by 3, 4 o'clock, most of the snowfall should be east of us here in Tulsa. And then we'll start to see breaks in the clouds off to the north and to the west. So what are we expecting tomorrow afternoon? Well, temperatures will slowly drop during the day tomorrow, back to around freezing during the afternoon hours, and we'll see breezy northerly winds as well. So wind chills are going to be in the 20s for most of the day tomorrow, along with that snow and the breezy north winds. The Future Track snowfall has anywhere from really about a trace of snowfall, maybe up to about 2 inches of snow. From Tulsa to the north, a little higher chance of seeing that accumulating snow. The soil temperatures right now generally in the upper 40s to low 50s in the 4-inch bare soil temperatures, so it looks like the roads for the most part will be in pretty good shape tomorrow. It'll be the bridges that we're going to have to watch out for, but just remember the roads are going to be wet anyway, so you're going to want to slow down. Then after this finally pushes off to the east, look what we have to deal with when we go on into the day tomorrow. We'll see those wind chills dropping off tomorrow evening. By midnight tomorrow night, wind chills in the teens. And then Tuesday morning, get ready for this, wind chills in the single digits for Tuesday morning. So it's going to be very, very cold. After 36 for tomorrow, that'll be in the morning all the way down to 18 tomorrow night. Then we'll see sunshine the rest of the week, finally improving conditions. But tomorrow, cold and windy with that snow around the area.